I welcome you to the lecture series on practical image processing using OpenCV Python. Myself, Dr. Bora. As we have already covered few lectures on practical image processing, so if you have not already gone through them, I'm giving the link in the description box below. Go through it. It will help you to understand the already discussed terminologies. So, coming to the today's lecture. Today's lecture topic is how to resize an image. I hope you have been already covered the basic ideas about dimensions of an image, the size of an image. So with the help of those dimensions, now we are going to resize an image. Now to resize an image, we will use the resize method of OpenCV. The basic thing is that how this resize method works, you have to know. In the resize method, we can either specify the values of x and y axis, or you can say the coordinate axis. You know, when we were discussing about the dimensions, I told you about the coordinate axis. Means each particular point in an image, I'm talking about the pixels, we have some coordinate values with respect to x and y axis. So for resizing, we can either specify these x and y axis values. So let's see this first. Consider we have already one original image with us, that is IMG, concentrate on this red colored portion. Okay, so IMG. Now I'm going to specify x-axis and y-axis value. See, fx is equal to 0.75 and fy is equal to 0.75. Got it? So you know from 1 to I diminish the value up to 0.75. Similarly, 1 to 0.75 for y-axis. So you can understand what will be the size of the resized image. Can you tell me? Will it be increase or decrease? Comment it. So that is the first one. New image CV2 resize image 00 fx 0.75 fy 0.75. You no need to say that our origin has the value 0 and 0 for x-axis and y-axis. That's it. Then we can specify the row and column values directly to resize the image in this resize function. See this red colored code. New image is equal to cv2 dot resize image 560 comma 360. Now what is this 560 and what is this 360? 560 denotes the number of columns we want in the resize image. So, and 360 is the number of rows in the resize image. This means we want 560 columns as the width of the resize image and 360 rows, that is the height of the resize image. I hope this portion about this method is clear to you. So as a whole, the code will be like this. Import cv2, then image cv2 imread, the path where image belongs. Then cv2 imshow function to display the original image with cv2 weight key 0. The new image cv2 resize image 00 fx 0.75 fy 0.75 for specifying the x and y axis values to resize the image. So showing the image first, cv2 imshow resize image new image cv2 weight key 0. Then to resize the image with the number of columns and rows specified here, and to display it cv2 imshow resize image cv2 weight key 0. Then I'm just writing this resize image in a file named clock.rzjpg. I hope each line of this code is clear to you. Now open your spider. This is my spider open. I have named this file as craw.py. You can give it resize, okay, whatever it is. So these are the codes I have written here. So as it is, whatever I have explained here, I have written here now. Now I'm going to run this code, okay, at once. For that, you don't need to go line by line. You can directly press this, or you can also press F5 button. For that, you need to specify a file name where these codes will be stored. Give a suitable file name. After that, it will be run automatically. As I have already saved this in a file, so it can be run directly. So I have pressed the F5 button, run file button. So this is the original image. Let's see the next output. We using fx and fy value set to 0.75. So you see the size diminishes. Yeah, I know you have assumed correctly. Then I have specified the row values and column values as how much? 360 and 560. Let's see what will be the output for that. See, this is the output. So the size now, width increases, height also. So this is the resize image. Okay, then I hope you guys understood how we can resize an image in OpenCV. So basic it is we are playing with number of rows and columns. That's why during my theory lectures I told you that how much the dimensions play impact in our image processing. So meet you in the next lecture, but don't skip this practical. Do it right now and tell me whether it is working or not. So meeting you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.